Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to import photos from Pixabay in Snappa. Open up a preferred web browser and head over to snappa.com. Start by logging into your account and open the project you want to work on. I'm just going to use a template from here. In the editor, on the left hand side of your screen, click on the background tab. Snappa integrates with Pixabay, giving you access to a variety of free images directly within the platform. In the search bar within the background tab, type keywords related to your image. Snappa will display relevant result from Pixabay image library. Scroll through the result and click on the photo you like. It will automatically be applied as a background for your design. If you prefer to use as an overlay or small elements rather than a background, go to Graphics tab, and in the Photos section, you can search Pixabay and insert photo as a separate element on the canvas. After adding photo, you can adjust its opacity, apply filters like blur or grayscale, and add a color overlay to create a desired look. Resize and reposition the photo to fit the overall layout of your design. You can add text, icons, or other graphic overlay the Pixabay image to complete your design. This can help make your graphic more informative or visually appealing. Review the final design to ensure everything is cohesive. When you are satisfied, download the finished design or save it in Snappa for further use. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily import and customize high-quality images from Pixabay in Snappa to create attractive professional graphics. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.